Hello friend, today here we discuss about design and development of brushless DC motor. Basically, this is your brushless DC motor. This is your rotor and this is your stator. A brushless DC electric motor is also known as electrically commutated motor and synchronous DC motor. Okay, so in our BLDC motor, uh, synchronous motor powered by DC supply via inverter or switch power supply, which produce electricity in the form of alternating current to each phase of alternator motor via a closed loop controller. The controller provides pulse of current and motor winding that control the speed and torque of motor. Okay, the control system replace commutator brushes used in many conventional electric motor. Basically, BLDC motor is a replacement of commutators. Basically, disadvantage of commutator is the fraction of the friction of the brushes sliding along the rotating commutator segment causes a power loss that can be significant in a low power motor. The short brushes material weared down due to friction create dust and eventually the brushes must be replaced. This makes commutator motor unsuitable for low particular or sealed application like hard disk motor and for the application that require maintenance free operation. The electrical resistance of sliding brush contact causes a voltage drop in the motor circuit called brush drop, which consumes the energy. This is a disadvantage of brush brush motor. So brushless solution in brushless DC motor, an electronic servo system replace the mechanical commutator contact. An electronic sensor detect the angle of rotor and control of conductor switches such as transistor which switch current through the windings either reversing reversing the direction of current or in same motor turn it off at correct angle so electromagnetic create torque in a one direction. The elimination of sliding contact allows brush motor to have less friction or longer life for their work of life. Application of BLDC motors in hard drives, CD and DVD players, small cooling fans, and in transport sector. BLDC motor used in electric vehicle, hybrid electric vehicle, personal transporters, and electric aircraft. Most electric bicycle use the brushless motors, and in cordless tool we also use a BLDC motor in trimmers, blowers, and drill drivers, and heating and ventilation application. We also prefer BLDC motor in HV, ACs, refrigerations, and industrial engineering. We also preferred a BLDC motor like a motion control, positioning, and actuator systems, and motion control system. Uh, Kinds of application of BLDC motor. Let's start with simulation by using RM Expert. So minimize this and double click on ANSYS Electronics and wait. So this is our Maxwell's. Click on Maxwell's and select RM Expert and select brushless permanent magnet DC motor and make it okay. And next machine is BLDC motor or not. Go to RM Expert, check the machine type and select brushless permanent magnet DC motor and make it okay. And next step is explore project manager and double click on machine. Here machine type is brushless permanent magnet DC motor. Number of pole is 4. Rotor position, select rotor position is inner rotor, and change the fractional losses is 12 volt, and windage loss is 1 watt, and set the reference speed is 1500 rpm, and control type is DC, and select the circuit type. Here different type of circuit types: Y3, L2, L3, S3, C2, L4 and S4. Select C2 type, and this is your C2 type circuit diagram. This is your switches, and this is your BLDC motor winding. Make it okay. Again click on OK. And next step is again go to project manager, and in project manager explore machine and double click on circuit. Here lead angle of trigger is 0 degree, and trigger pulse width is 90, because here we select circuit type is C2, so trigger pulse width is 90, and select the transistor voltage drop. Means ki your switches voltage drop is 2 volt across switches, and diode voltage drop is also select 2 volt, and click on OK. After the completion of this step, next step is create a dimension of our stator body for BLDC motor. So go to project manager and explore stator, and first start with stator, then double click on stator and put the dimensions of stator. So outer dimensions for our stator body is 120 mm, and inner dia is 75 mm, and length of stator body is 65 mm, and stacking factor is by default is selected 0.95. Select steel type, click on steel type, and search here M19 underscore 24G. Select this material, and number of slot is 24, and select the slot type. Here various type of slots, so here we choose a second type of slot. In second type of slot we have dimensions BS0, HS0, HS1, BS1, BS2 and HS2. These are dimensions. Click on OK, and click on skew width is skew SKEW, and click on OK. and this is your uh, BLDC motor inner and outer dia. And next step is explore stator and double click on slot, uncheck auto design, make it okay, and again go to stator, explore stator and double click on slot, and uncheck the parallel tooth, and HS0 is 0.5 and HS1 is 1 mm, HS2 is 8.2 and BS0 is 2.5 and BS1 is 5.6 and BS2 is 7.6. Click on OK. This is our stator for BLDC motor, and this is our slots is second type. Next step is in stator, double click on windings. So here select winding layer is 2 and winding type is whole coil, make it okay, and number of parallel branches is 1 and conductor per slot is 60 and coil pitch is 5 and number of strands is 1 and wire wrap is 0 and selector wire size and diameters, unit is mm, wire gauge 0 and select gauge is auto, click on OK, and next step is select end insulation, and in end insulation uncheck input half turn length and end extension is 0 and base inner is also 0, tip inner is 0 and end clearance is 0 and slot liner is 0.3 and width thickness is 0 and layer insulation is 0 and limited fill factor is 0.75 and click on OK. So this is your winding. Next step is again go to project manager and double click on rotor and fill the dimensions of rotor, select the outer die is 74 and inner die for rotor is 26 mm and length of rotor is same like a stator 65 and select the steel type is again M19 underscore 24G M19 search M19 underscore 24G, select this material and the stacking factor is again 0.95 and pole type, this is kinds of pole type, so here select pole type is 1, make it OK, again click on OK. This is your rotor body and next step is explore rotor and double click on poles. In poles imbalance is 0.7, offset is 0 and select the magnet type is XG XG 196, 196, XG 196, 196 oblique 96. Select this material and magnetic thickness is 3.5 mm, 3.5 mm, and make it okay. This is a rotor body. Next step is double click on shaft and uncheck the magnetic shaft, make it okay. Next step is go to RM Expert and select analysis setup, explore analysis setup, click on add solution setup. This is your setup 1. Operation type is motor and setup 1 enabled, and load type is constant power, and rated output power is 560 watt, and select the rated voltage for our BLDC motor is 220 volt, and rated speed is 500 rpm, and operating temperature for our BLDC motor is 75 degrees Celsius, and click on OK. And after the completion of this step, go to RM Expert and apply validation check. Okay, design setting is done, machine setting is done, and analysis setup done, and optometrics is done. So there is no error. Close. And next step is go to RM Expert and click on analyze all. Save the project name is BLDC and save. Here our model is ready to simulate. This is the process, and check the message. Okay, normal completion. So next step is again go to menu and select RM Expert and search results, explore results, and click on solution data. This is your machine input data, and this is your design sheet for our BLDC motor, and this is a performance FEA input data, full load operation data. Here average input current, you get all the data, armature thermal load, specific electric loading, armature current density, and fractional and windage losses, iron core losses, transistor losses, and diode losses, total losses. You check all the performances, and this is your curves between input DC current versus speed, efficiency of our DC motor. This is in this scale we have efficiency, in this scale we have RPM. This is your ratio of air gap torque to the DC current versus speed, and output power versus speed curve, and cogging torque into teeth, air gap, flux density, all curves here. So next step is same model. Here BLDC motor analyze with RMXpert. Same model we analyze with Maxwell 2D. So here we convert RMXpert model to the Maxwell 2D model. So right click, go to your project manager and right click on analysis, click on create Maxwell design. Here type is Maxwell 2D design and solution is setup 1. Click on OK. So here your Maxwell your RMXpert design is converted to Maxwell stage 2D design. It's take a few minutes. This is your x-axis and y-axis. This is your xy plane. Okay, this is our Maxwell 2D design. This is your stator slot, and this is your conductors, and this is your rotor body. Okay, and next step is go to Maxwell 2D and click on solution type. Okay, geometrical mode is Cartesian XY, all correct. And after the completion of this step, go to your project manager and click on analysis, double click on setup 1. Here in setup 1, go to save fields and stop time is 0 nanosecond and stop time is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So stop time is 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 1 and 70 nanosecond, and stop and the step size is just half or 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 0 nanosecond. Click on add to list. This is your step size, and go to your solver is a non-linear residual, and stop time is okay 0.4 second, and time step is 0.02. click on OK, and next step is go to Maxwell 2D and apply validation check. Okay, some warnings in our boundary excitation, so I think it's not a very big issue. Again, go to Maxwell 2D and click on analyze all and wait for few minutes. Okay, our simulation is done on local server. So next step is here plot flux lines for this BLDC motor. Go to Maxwell 2D and click on fields. fields A and lines. So here first we select the geometry, go to edit and click on select all, and again go to Maxwell 2D and fields, explore fields A, select flex lines, select all object, click on done. Okay, so here we don't get the flex line. Next step is go to view and click on set solution context, select some time here and click on OK. So this is your flux lines, and this is your flux lines intensity. Okay, next step is plot flux density. Again go to Maxwell 2D, fields and fields B magnitude. Same mistake, first select the go to edit and click on select all, and again go to Maxwell 2D, fields B and B magnitude, click on select all object and done. Okay, so this is your flux density plot for BLDC motor, and put this model in animation mode. Go to view, click on the select animate and select drawing is rotor, click on OK, click on OK, and this is your animation mode. Here flux, when our rotor is moved, flux density is changed in our rotor and stator body. Thank you for watching this video.